This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of the Missouri Ozarks and extreme southeast Kansas. For the rest of tonight, the following weather hazards are expected. Limited ice accumulation risk. Limited snow-sleet risk. A powerful for this time of year storm system centered over Grand Island, Nebraska will move eastbound overnight into the sunrise hours on Thanksgiving. This will drag a frontal boundary and with it bring the chance for precipitation across the Ozarks. Most of the winter precipitation is expected to remain north of Highway 76, though some sleet cannot be ruled out between the Anderson to Owls Bend line and the Arkansas state line. Despite this secondary area, a majority of travel issues during the morning commute should remain along and north of Highway 76, where a glaze of sleet and a dusting to half an inch of snow could fall. After this brief period of travel trouble, a nose of warm air will work its way north over the county warning area, causing the remaining precipitation Thanksgiving Day to shift to all rain by 10 a.m. Days 2 through 7, Thursday through Tuesday. Periods of moderate to heavy rain are likely from Friday through Saturday as the main system pushes across the area. Rainfall totals of 1 to 2 inches are expected. This could result in minor flooding of creeks and rivers along with low water crossings on Friday and Saturday. Thunderstorms are also expected at times from Friday into Saturday. The threat for severe storms is currently expected to remain south of the Missouri Ozarks due to limited instability. If the expected amount of instability increases, a risk for strong to severe storms may be warranted in future outlooks. Windy conditions are again expected from Friday through Sunday with wind gusts over 30 miles per hour. Spotter activation statement. Spotter activation will not be needed though tonight. However, Skywarn spotters north of Highway 60 are advised to report all precipitation accumulation amounts to the National Weather Service office in Springfield. Here is the short-term forecast for the Missouri Ozarks and extreme.
This is not a workout. This is a revolution. This is shake weight for men, and it's going to kick your butt.
Whew, that's it.
In just 6 minutes. Guaranteed. Ordinary weights isolate.
Civil danger warning for the cities of Republic and Springfield. This message is being transmitted at the joint requests of the Greene County Office of Emergency Management and the Christian County Emergency Management Agency. At 3:10 a.m., the glowing white crack, now known via assistance from NASA's scientists to be a portal to an alternate dimension, has led an extremely dangerous entity through that will likely cause fatalities. The entity is described as follows. It is an energy being in the vague shape of an alicorn, or an equine-like being with a horn and wings called a tantibus. It is deep purple surrounded by a light purple to pinkish glow and is at last report by authorities around 200 feet tall. Disturbingly, it should be noted that the tantibus is a being from mythologies all over history that feeds and exhibits growth by feeding on the emotion of fear and especially in nightmares. Residents in the aforementioned cities are advised to evacuate in a quick, calm manner. Not doing so will mean likely death. To repeat, a civil danger warning has been issued for the cities of Republic and Springfield with the possibility of being upgraded to an immediate evacuation for all of Greene and Christian counties.
Treat yourself to a new Honda today and save during the Happy Honda Days clearance. This is an emergency action notification. All EAS participants will turn to the relevant pages concerning EAS for more information. Please stand by. Please stand by. A representative of the President will be speaking shortly.
Ladies and gentlemen who live in the United States, it is now that I must announce with a heavy heart that our nation, and our planet as we know it, is in all realistic thoughts, doomed. This tank bus is growing and none of our technology, nor our mighty weaponry, can stop this disastrous nightmare creature from another dimension. At this time, my only recommendation is to gather those you are close to and prepare for the end of all of our existence on this majestic planet. We have quieted the run, but even our species has to face its own extinction, and now it's the time we do just that. May you have the comfort of knowing that you have had the best lives you could, and even if you haven't, just remember, it always could have been a worse fate than this one. Shortly the video designated to play at the end of the world will play. Use this time to also remember the good times you had, before we all die in this horrific end to our grand species.
That was the representative of the President. Now the end of the world category video will be simulcast across the EAS.